So most people solve this question like 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4, right? Then again 1 minus 5 is equal to also minus 4. Now minus 4 times minus 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, right? So now 1 minus 5, now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So times minus 4. Now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication. So minus 4 times minus 5 is equal to plus 20, right? So 1 plus 20. So 1 plus 20 is equal to 21. So the correct answer is 21, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.